everyone. Today we will do the topic transfer of heat. First of all, what do you mean by transfer of heat? Heat is a form of energy which can be transferred. Clear? Now, let me give you one example. Suppose if you will keep a frying pan on a burner, what will happen? Yes, after some time it will become hot. Why? Because in this case the heat has been transferred from the burner or from the flame to the frying pan. Clear? Now second case, second example. If you will keep this hot frying pan aside for a few hours, what will happen? It will come back to the room temperature. Now again the question is why? Because now the heat from the frying pan has been transferred to the surrounding. So in both cases we can say that heat always flows from a hotter object to a colder object. Clear? Now, suppose this beaker is having water at 40 degrees Celsius. Clear? This beaker is having water at 42 degrees Celsius and outside temperature is 30 degrees Celsius. Now tell me, what would be the direction of flow of heat? I told you heat always flows from hotter object to colder object. Now which one is hotter? Right, this water, right? So heat will move like this from the water to outside surrounding. Clear? Now suppose the water is at 30 degrees Celsius. The water is at 30 degrees Celsius. Now outside temperature is also 30 degrees. Now will there be any transfer of heat? Answer is no. Why? Because the temperature is same. Clear? Now, heat is transferred by various methods. Clear? Like first method is conduction, second is convection, and third is radiation. Methods of transfer of heat: conduction, convection, radiation. Today we will do the first one, that is conduction. Clear? Now what is conduction? Conduction is a method of transfer of heat from hotter object to colder object. Clear? Conduction is a method of transfer of heat from hotter object to colder object. And in case of solids, generally the heat is transferred by the method of conduction. Now let me explain this with the help of an example. Okay, first of all you have to take a metal rod. Like you can take an iron rod. Clear? Clamp it on a stand. Clamp it on a stand. Now on this iron rod fix wax pieces, but fix them at equal distance. Clear? Now suppose this is the first wax piece, this is the second wax piece, this is the third wax piece, this is the fourth wax piece, and this is the fifth wax piece. Clear? Suppose 5 wax pieces pieces are here. Now, I'll heat at one end. Suppose I'm heating here. Clear? I'll put a candle here. I am putting a candle here. Clear? Now, wax, as you know, wax will melt. Now, suppose this is first piece, second, third, fourth, fifth. Now, if you are heating from here, think which piece will melt and fall down first. Yes, your answer is first, right? So, first wax piece will melt down and fall down first. Then second, then third, then fourth, then fifth. Now question is why? Because what is happening here, as we are heating from here, so this end is hotter, clear? And in comparison, this end is colder, right? So heat is transferring from the hotter end of the object to the colder end. So from here, the heat will transfer here. First of all, the heat will reach to which wax piece? First. So it will melt first. Clear? In this way it will go on. So this is the example of conduction. This metal rod is showing conduction. Conduction is a method of transfer of heat in which the heat is transferred from the hotter end of the object to the colder end. Clear? Thank you.